Number 1. Resilience defines this 1964 Pontiac Catalina Lauren Inn, offered at $4,200 in Pocatello, Idaho. Presenting a two-door coupe in blue over blue with its automatic setup and paid-off status. The engine and transmission are included, though the motor needs a freeze plug and the air ride system requires line routing. Much of the front suspension has already been refreshed, including a disc brake inversion. Rear shocks are still needed. Nearly complete cosmetically, but still clearly a project. It offers a solid foundation for someone wanting a 60s Pontiac with rare trim and substantial work already underway. Number 2. Purity defines this late 70s cruiser, as this 1979 Chrysler Leon priced at $4,950 and located in Chesapeake, Virginia, pairs a smooth automatic transmission with a durable Super 6 engine showing 100,500 miles. Finished in blue, inside and out, it benefits from recent care, including new tires, a new battery, a fresh fuel tank and sending unit, and a completed oil and filter service. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio round out a comfortable, straightforward drive. It still presents the charm of Chrysler's compact luxury era. Number 3. Thunderbolt. Bold energy meets vintage restraint in this 1965 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $6,500 and located in Dallas, Texas. Showing 71,000 miles, it retains an original white exterior over a green interior with functioning lighting, air conditioning, heat, and even its cigarette lighter. The quiet engine and smooth shifting automatic transmission support confident driving. It is backed by new tires and a new fuel tank. The body remains in strong condition with an uncracked dashboard. 2-owner history and complete 1965 paperwork, including the owner's manual, add clarity to this well-preserved full-size classic. Its originality further enhances its enduring appeal. Number 4. Blaze defines this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $8,000 and situated in Lebanon, Tennessee. Presenting a black exterior over a red interior with a high-mileage history of 200,000 miles. Its 390 engine with a 4-barrel setup works with dual exhaust and a disc brake inversion, supporting straightforward operation. The vehicle runs and drives, complemented by new tires and an Autolite 4100 carburetor. Minor electrical needs include a broken windshield wiper wire and an unconnected heater motor. Yet overall function remains consistent for a full-size classic. That steady profile continues to deliver road behavior on long routes. Number 5. Spark sets the tone for this 1972 Chevrolet Impala LS, priced at $8,000 and located in Lawrenceville, Georgia, showing 168,000 miles with a white exterior and blue interior. Its 4-door layout carries an original 350 engine paired to a 350 Powerglide transmission. This gives the car a steady, predictable character on the road. Air conditioning and heat remain functional, and the vehicle retains a clean presentation without aftermarket changes. Offered with a bill of sale, it delivers a straightforward driving feel suited to long, unhurried routes. Number 6. Durability defines this long roof hauler, as this 1983 Chevrolet 2500 Crew Cab, listed at $5,200 in Edinburgh, Texas, brings a one-owner story, a fully paid-off status, and a blue-on-blue finish wrapped around a 350 V8. Showing 25,000 miles, it still runs, but carries a transmission that slips in first and second gear, making trailering the smart move before repairs. The body presents well for its age, and once the drivetrain is sorted, it stands as a sturdy square-body crew cab with plenty of potential for someone wanting a classic heavy-duty pickup with honest needs and a strong foundation. Number 7. Glow sets the tone for this 1985 Ford Grand Marquis in Brownsville, Texas. Priced at $8,000 and showing 15,123 miles, this four-door sedan uses a 5.0 engine with an automatic transmission, paired with a tan exterior and brown interior. Cold air conditioning and new tires strengthen its steady road behavior, while a clean title supports its transparent background. It drives with the familiar, measured character expected of the platform. The overall presentation reflects long-term consistency for those seeking relaxed, unhurried, cruising confidence on quiet evenings. Number 8. Pulse meets presence in this 1969 Pontiac Bonneville. Priced at $5,000 and based in Princeville, Illinois, it offers a broad, confident stance and a smooth automatic transmission that complements its classic character. The 66,000 miles reading pairs with a black exterior and green interior that highlight its vintage personality, while the V8 setup continues to run and drive with steady manners. Minimal rust on the body panels and included trim pieces add useful continuity for anyone appreciating a largely complete foundation with room for thoughtful refinement. Its balanced feel enhances long-distance confidence without disrupting classic charm. Number 9. Presence defines this late 70s hauler, as this 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger XLT, offered at $6,000 in Hinesville, Arkansas, brings a strongly original presentation with red paint, matching interior, and a solid running 351M paired to a C6 automatic. Showing 45,000 miles, it has been used as a daily driver in recent months, supported by a fresh set of tires and a straightforward mechanical feel that suits its age. With its long bed layout and factory character intact, it stands as a practical, usable classic pickup with room for personal direction or trade possibilities. Number 10. Momentum carries this 1968 Ford Galaxie XL convertible in Lakewood, Ohio. A $4,500 full-size drop-top built around a 392-barrel V8 and automatic transmission. It still runs when fed starting fluid, and the power top functions smoothly. Structurally solid aside from typical quarter rust and a softened rear seat floor, the blue paint presents well except for the swapped hood. While the interior shows were with split seats and a cracked dash, and the carburetor and fuel tank need attention, it remains poised to return as a relaxed cruiser. Number 11. Radiance defines this 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS in Whittier, California. Priced at $7,500 and shaped by its smooth-running original drivetrain. The blue exterior pairs with a Landau roof and an electric sunroof, while the automatic transmission keeps the driving experience relaxed. Power windows, power seat, and tilt steering add comfort. The car remains registered and road-ready. With 99,000 miles shown and everything under the hood preserved from new, it stands as a confident cruiser reflecting late 70s style without embellishment. Number 12. Grit defines this 1979 Chevrolet K20 Scottsdale. Offered at $5,000 in Hernando, Mississippi, showing 123,000 miles with a manual transmission, gray exterior, and black interior. It runs and drives with a classic four-wheel drive setup and a clean title. Though the headlights, tail lights, heat, and blower motor need attention before regular use, the tires remain in good shape with no dry rot, giving it a usable foundation. With its straightforward stance and unfinished needs, this paid-off K20 stands as a solid starting point for practical improvement. Number 13. Rumble defines this 1982 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed in Rock Springs, Wyoming. Listed at $7,000 and showing 100,000 miles, it runs and drives with a 350 paired to a 4-speed automatic, offering four-wheel drive, dual exhaust, and solid road feel. Good tires, good shocks, and a clear windshield support its usability. The black body needs some repair, and the power windows only work when jumped. A clean title adds clarity, and an additional rust-free 1982 long bed parts truck is available for $1,500 for deeper projects. Number 14. Vantage frames this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair in Canyon Country, California, listed at $5,500 with a clean title and 98,499 miles. Its flat six runs a freshly rebuilt carburetor. While the car has been parked for 6 months, it was driven beforehand. The gray exterior is supported by chrome in strong condition, with new seats and new carpet improving the cabin. Never involved in an accident and structurally sound, it only needs routine attention to return to regular use. Number 15. Grit defines this rough-edged workhorse as this 1981 Ford F-150, offered at $1,000 in Mountain City, Tennessee, pairs a 300 6 manual transmission and functioning four-wheel drive with a fully paid-off status and a clean title. The body shows heavy wear, yet the frame remains solid with virtually no rust. The truck still moves under its own power despite low oil pressure and an audible knock. Equipped with an aftermarket tachometer, auxiliary gauges, LED lighting, and a strong clutch and transmission, it stands as a budget-friendly project for anyone wanting an authentic early 80s F-Series foundation.